Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix too many codes and error on Apple ID. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are having this type issue that you are trying to receive code but you are having the issue that you have too many codes and enter the last code you received or try again later. So if you are receiving this type issue and you haven't received any code, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have done, you have to go to settings, then go for general and go for VPN and device management and go for VPN, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected, or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect that, and then you have to go to software update, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you have any pending software update like that, you have to try to update your software, and then you have to select the transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you have to enter your passcode, and you have to select the pop-up menu reset network setting. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this step. And once you have done, you have to go back and then go for screen time, and here go for the option of content and privacy restrictions, and you have to make sure that you have disabled all the restrictions from here. And once you have done all of these steps, so it might be it will fix your issue, you have to try again, and you will receive a code. You just have to enter that code, and if you are still having the same issue that your code is not receiving, you have to open your browser, and here you have to simply search for Apple Sport and open the first website from here. Then select your device. It might be your iPhone or iPad or any other iPhone device. So I'm going to select iPhone from here. And here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of Get Sport. Here's the option of Get Sport. Tap on the Start Now option here. And here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of More. And then you just have to look for Apple account or Apple ID and something like that. You can easily find for iTunes stores or iTunes accounts. So whenever you get the option from here, and once you get that, simply select that option, and here select continue, and here just scroll down and look for the option of get more help, then select call us, and here you will get a number of Apple support team. So now whenever you want to call them, you can easily call them and discuss your issue. In this way you will get official support from Apple support team. So that's how you can easily fix your issue, how to fix the Germany codes and error on Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.